Here's how you can manage all of your grant tasks inside of GrantFrog. So, on the GrantFrog dashboard, all you need to do is go to Tasks and choose Add a Task. Now, this could be anything related to a grant proposal, a grant report. Maybe it's calling a director at the foundation, or maybe it's a site visit. Any sort of task that's related to these, you can save inside of GrantFrog. So, in this case, we're going to say call the foundation director. And this is going to be up next is the status. And then the category is a phone call. We're just going to say a due date of the end of this week. And if we want, we can put a description like need to contact director to ask questions. Now we can relate this task to a grant proposal, a grant report, maybe a specific funder, or a client. In this case, we're going to relate it to a funder. So we're going to choose the Graham Foundation and then choose Save. Now, this is our main screen. So, for a task, and now you can kind of see the due date and the status of it. If you need to change anything, just click edit. And once you're done with it, you can do date completed, put in the date that you've completed it, and then click save. Now, you can also see this is a task that's still open, it hasn't been completed. So, if we go back to our dashboard, you can now see that we have the task here on our dashboard in my open task. So you can see the due date here of when it's due, and you can just see that it's on your list of things that you need to do in the next week. So that's how you use tasks in GrantFrog.